The compression spring is part of your belt sander's belt tensioning system. It applies pressure to the front roller bracket when the tension lever is closed. Over time, the spring can lose its tension, which can lead to belt tracking issues. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt from the belt sander. Now I can remove the belt cover. Now I can remove the belt. I'll rotate the belt, and as I do, I'll lift it away from the motor pulley. Next, I'll remove the belt guard. Now I'll remove the front roller and bracket assembly. With the assembly removed, now I can replace the compression spring. I'll pull the old spring away from the base and install the new one. Now reassemble the roller and bracket assembly back into the belt sander. Now reinstall the dust deflector and the belt guard. I'll place the belt around the lower pulley first, and then again I'll rotate the belt around as I work it on to the motor pulley. Next, I'll reinstall the belt cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the sanding belt. And that's all it takes to replace the compression spring in your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.